Last week, we pretty much spent all our time working on the ceiling in the living space. That meant putting up the thin plywood backing first, and then putting up each individual tongue and groove board. You really should count how many it was that we installed because it took days. Anyway, on to something more exciting this week.
Hey, good morning.
Good morning.
Refreshed, I would say. Our ticker's at like, what, 77% out of 100?
Yeah. We were saying it's like, me too, that's pretty good. Like 4-ish days of vacation doesn't prevent or like eliminate burnout, but we are less physically exhausted.
Yeah, I actually feel the opposite.
What?
You said that and I was like, I actually feel more refreshed, like less burnt out, like I'm excited to work, but I'm still a little tired.
No.
Yeah.
I'm the opposite. I gotta sign right now, then.
Like I just like, oh, let's go. But like, so some of the stuff that we want to do is wrap up the kitchen. Well, wrap up the kitchen, start the kitchen and wrap it up.
Yeah.
And so we were gonna put some mounting plates in there, or mounting brackets with lumber, and then we decided to use either OSB or what's it called? Plywood. And when we went to go pick it up, our hardware store was having a big party.
It was the Ace block party.
Yeah,
I think they
block
did it all
party.
over the country, I guess.
Yeah. And it was like
Yeah.
right where you need to go get the lumber. I'm pretty sure the lumber yard is closed.
Yeah.
And,
That didn't happen.
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
We got family coming. There's a lot going on.
There's so much going on.
We got the guy who's gonna regrade our driveway, and then he's gonna ask us to do a little loop here. So it's gonna be
Nice and smooth from the RVs come in.
But it was really cool. Quick about the little trip. It was my birthday. It was talking about it. I was like, as I got older, I thought I would celebrate less and less. But it's just like really cool to not really celebrate birthdays as much as someone's like existence. So it was really cool that I felt very loved by my wife. Obviously, she planned, I think, all of it. I know my friends had a lot of input. That's why I'm probably more motivated. Is that I really got to clear my mind, like for real. I was not thinking about the house. I wasn't even worried about what I was gonna eat because it was planned, or we figured it out, or we're like, we don't know either. And I was like, well, we'll figure it out because I didn't know where we were going. So awesome. I loved it. I felt loved all around. Thank you. It happened to be a couple anniversary today too, so that was even
So
better.
your birthday, their anniversary is all good.
Yeah, worked out.
Get a little done today and then be ready to go full steam ahead tomorrow.
Yeah, sure did. Ooh. Yeah, I'm tired.
Yeah. A little tired. It's a long travel day yesterday.
Long travel.
But we're ready. We're gonna do this.
Yeah.
Eagle-eyed viewers may have noticed it doesn't look like we really sanded in here, and you would be correct because we didn't. By we, I mean Brian. We did not sand in here because the long-term plan is to actually cover all the walls with custom cabinet storage, whatever, so it's like a real built-in closet. Walk-in closet? I don't know what it's called. So we're just priming it to make it look more finished. None of that stuff's gonna happen until probably long after we move in. We're talking about doing it a little sooner, but we'll see. So you can obviously see the corner seam still. The second coat of primer might help with that. You might be able to see some of the seam work on the walls. Again, temporary, but it will look more done than it does now, and we will work on the ceiling once I'm done priming. So we didn't quite get everything done that we wanted to today, but pretty much everything. The only thing we didn't get to was the drywall and the ceiling of the closet. Honestly, we're really tired from traveling, so we're just gonna call it. It's about 4:30. And yeah, we'll pick that up tomorrow. But the bathroom looks really good. Like, definitely looks ready for some tile. And the closet, even though it's not done, looks a lot better than seeing that green and mismatched drywall. So yeah, let's enjoy the rest of our Sunday.
Hello. Very graceful. Here we are in the bathroom, shower. We knew that we were having the graders come. They said Monday or Tuesday, and today's Monday, and they're here before I even made my coffee. So I gotta go run an errand, so I didn't really want to get in their way in the grading. What we can do is do some of the waterproofing in here. We were gonna hold off so the mortar, because the mortar is gonna be good for waterproofing and the tile. Might just makes it a little different up the reed. I think it's a little different ratios, but once you're going, I really don't want to like stop the mortar because the thing will harden. Put a niche in, waterproof all the screw holes and the seams, and then boom, we got the walls waterproof. And up the floor, the grading of the driveway, it looks immaculate. It looks so much better. Yes. So let's just keep going, press on. We got this. We're gonna dry fit the floor, dry fit the bench, and then we're gonna waterproof everything, work our way down. That's the plan. We've gone this far. I have so much sleep. I think I was in bed and asleep by 9 o'clock last night. I was actually in bed before 9, and I think I was passed out still before 9 last night, which is early for me. Got everything dry fit now. Bench here. It's kind of weird because it's kind of, we ordered it, it was delivered, and I went to the store and they had a smaller one. I was like, oh, if I would have known we could have got a smaller one, I got that. But I'm kind of happy with that because actually you can actually sit on it. I mean, it's pretty straightforward. It slopes down to the drain. Drain's dry fit too. I just took it out. But we're gonna start waterproofing out the screws from the top to the bottom, and then put these on. And I think that's what we'll probably do today.
Gonna cut some squares. Woo! Every time I think we're about to start the kitchen, we end up doing something else. Case in point. Oh, Brian, when you watch this in however many years, I hope you laugh.
Yesterday I said we were going to be done with making sure the shower is dried in. Today is the next day, Tuesday. You know, ow, goodness gracious, it's gonna be fun. So we have waterproofing strip. I thought I have one or two more, but either way, I was running out of mortar mix. I have gone through 2 impacts. We're still on our second one. And I'm about to buy a 3rd drill. So I don't know what's up with our drills. But it was smoking, and so we just made do with what we could, and I'm not gonna use it again to mix more. But I have a little bit of Curdy band. I have a little bit more spots I gotta use the Curdy band, but I need more, so probably not gonna see the shower for a few weeks. Tomorrow I'm gonna be running errands, and then immediately after that we're gonna be tackling the kitchen and ceilings. Picking up appliances, picking up a floor, picking up more tile. Apparently I didn't order the tile for the shower floor.
There isn't much on our property that we haven't done ourselves. It's basically come down to if the county or state requires a professional to do it, like our septic system, if it would have been impossible to do ourselves, like the fence and the well drilling, or if we haven't felt safe doing it. When it comes to moving around dirt and rocks, we leave that to professionals. If you've been with us a while, you might remember that we actually did rent a small skid steer to try and bury the foundation, but the ground is so unlevel here that Brian almost flipped it. After that, we've decided to err on the side of caution, which is why we're thrilled to have some local experts grading our driveway and putting down road base. After the snow melted and we survived the mud season, we had some deep tire tracks in our driveway. My sister called them the theme park tracks because you basically put your car in them and followed them up the driveway. But no more. With the arrival of my family in a week or so, we needed to make sure that everyone's vehicles and RVs could get up safely and without breaking every kitchen dish inside. This will also be a quality of life improvement for us, as it will now be possible to drive all the way around and through the driveway without having to back up and turn around. That had been a struggle when we had large delivery trucks making drop-offs. We feel good about handing this off to the experts, as it has allowed us to spend more time continuing work on the inside of the house.
Dogs really like
Because we still have a bathroom and kitchen to finish,
They like
people.
to sit in it. They like it's nice and warm. That's her new spot. Oh no, that's not the spot.
Oh, that's the ass.
Gosh.
Oh, now the other side.
She's got both cheeks. Yeah. So outside's ready. Now we gotta get the inside done.
We have a new mic coming again.
Yeah, sorry that the audio's been kind of sucky.
It's my bad.
Hopefully it'll be fixed.
The first day we busted open that microphone, I broke it. So we're gonna get a hopefully more sturdy one.
We'll see. If not, then we're going back to buying the cheap ones. We're just gonna buy 4 of them.
If you like what you're seeing here on Line Up the Stars, why not hit that thumbs up button, leave a comment, or subscribe to our channel. Become a Patreon or YouTube member to support our video creation goals while giving yourself behind-the-scenes access to the build. Members get that weekly behind-the-scenes newsletter delivered to their inbox nearly every week, receive first notice of future live streams, and other random goodies throughout the year. We'll see you next week as we frantically work as much and quickly as possible to get the inside of the house as close to done as we can possibly manage before my family arrives. We are so excited to get this kitchen started.
Did I mention I found my other Leatherman?
No.
So we were doing the ceiling and I was looking for this Leatherman for months. And it was there. I bought a new one.
It's nice too.
Yeah. If you need a Leatherman, go to leatherman.com. We sell them there. Military discount.
Yeah, so now when you lose one, hopefully you don't lose both of them.
Oh, I just I've never done that before.
Alright.
Could you find the sheet for it? How did I do this? That's so weird. I just messed it up. Let me took my Leatherman and fix it.